The widow of a biker who was killed after a driver pulled out of a junction in front of him says others must learn from his senseless death. 48-year-old John Marsh died at the scene of the crash in Angus last November. Today at Dundee Sheriff Court, Angela Addis was ordered to carry out unpaid work after admitting death by careless driving. Louise Cowie reports.
John was a vibrant young man who had been riding a motorbike since he was about 4. Grew into a dedicated motorcyclist, rode all over Europe, so very experienced.
John Marsh was riding home from a motorcycle club meeting when a car pulled out in front of him on the B961 near Monikie. He collided with the rear driver door and his clothing became trapped under the vehicle. The father of 2 was pronounced dead at the scene. The car was being driven by Angela Addis. She'd previously admitted causing the 48-year-old's death by careless driving. Today she was ordered to carry out 140 hours of unpaid work, a sentence John's widow Tracey has condemned.
Carelessness to me is forgetting where you placed your house keys, letting a pan boil over or wearing odd socks. It's not the act of taking someone's life and shattering the world of those close to them. I question how a penalty of 140 hours of community service acts as a deterrent to others or sends any sort of message about our collective responsibility for vulnerable road users.
The Judicial Office for Scotland has said when deciding upon a sentence, a judge will carefully consider the facts, any relevant sentencing guidelines and a range of other matters.
Those who are left bereaved like Tracey, they live with a life sentence. Those who kill others through an act of carelessness live with that for the rest of their lives. And so what I'd like to see is more focus on prevention of motorcycle deaths.
John was one of 25 motorcyclists killed in collisions in Scotland in 2022. Tracey is campaigning for more to be done to protect motorcyclists on Scotland's roads. She says that those on 4 wheels need to be reminded to take another look for those on 2. Louise Cowie, reporting Scotland, Dundee.